We're all doing our part to help slow the spread of COVID-19 by staying home as much as possible. But isolation can be tough. If you feel like you're about to go nuttier than squirrel turds, here are some tips to keep you sane during the pandemic. In a world where every day begins to blur together, self-care becomes extra important. Take time to practice good hygiene. Get out of bed, hit the shower, and get dressed even if nobody's going to see you. In fact, don't dress how you feel, dress how you want to feel. Another part of self-care is eating healthy and avoiding all-day snacking. Look, this girl is thrilled about salad. Ah, the delicious smell of leaves. Look, she can't even pretend that tastes good. There's no dressing or anything. Being trapped indoors can exacerbate feelings of depression, especially if you're trapped with someone who sucks. Depending on where you are, it may be totally safe and legal to get outside and get some fresh air. What could these people possibly be doing? So, check your mail, take a little stroll, and wave hello to Ethel across the street. Tackling a project you've been putting off can be great for your psyche. Guys, maybe there's something broken in your house. You've told your wife you'll fix it, but she insists on reminding you every 6 months. Now is the perfect time to get that done. Even just finishing your laundry can make you feel a whole lot better. But don't be like this guy. I don't think you need to iron your towels. And finally, if you don't manage to maintain exemplary habits throughout this crisis, don't be too hard on yourself. We're all in this together, and we will make it through. Until then, hang in there.